Welcome to MAT260. This video will teach you how to navigate the course. First off, we want to go to syllabus and weekly schedule. If we click on the link under online syllabus, this will take us to our syllabus for this semester. My name is Miss Morganti and my contact information can be seen below. My office is located in 1064 in the Learning Commons. My office hours and tutoring can be seen over on the right. If these hours don't work for you, let me know and we can schedule another time. The textbook required for this course is Elementary Statistics 12th edition. You will be obtaining the e-text version through my math lab. You can find the instructions on Blackboard. For our technology requirements, our first requirement is StatCrunch. Instructions for purchasing the e-text and StatCrunch are on the Blackboard page. You will also need a calculator for this course. The TI-30 is recommended, but any scientific calculator will work. This course will be evaluated in 4 different sections: quizzes and discussion boards, homework assignments, midterm, final exam, and they will all be worth 25% of your grade. College policies. Students are accountable for all policies in the student handbook. For your attendance policy, you must sign into Blackboard at least 3 times a week. For academic dishonesty and plagiarism, make sure you don't cheat and do your own work. For communication, please post your content-related questions to the help board on Blackboard first. This way, all students can benefit from your question, and your classmates can also help answer your questions as well. If you have a more personal issue, this should not be posted to the discussion board. Please email me these questions. Late assignments will not be accepted. There will be no makeups for the midterm or the final exam unless you have extenuating circumstances. Alright, after the syllabus, we will want to look at our assignments overview. This will break down all of the different types of categories we talked about before. For my stat lab, you will have a homework assignment or 2 every week. You will be able to rework the problems until you get 100% before the deadline. The lowest homework will be dropped at the end of the course. For quizzes, you will have both communication quizzes and bi-weekly My Stat Lab quizzes. The communication quizzes will be given each week and will focus on real-world data. You will be assigned a group to work with these quizzes together via discussion boards on Blackboard. Your lowest communication quiz score will be dropped at the end of the course. You can see the guidelines on the next page. You will also have bi-weekly My Stat Lab quizzes. These will be on weeks 2, 4, and 8 and will include the current and previous week's material. You will be given 2 chances on each quiz. The week 5 and week 9 quizzes will be extra credit. If you score above 90%, you'll get 3% added to your midterm or final. Your midterm exam will be during week 6 and it will cover the first 5 weeks of material. Final exam will be in week 10 and this will cover week information through weeks 1 through 9, but will mainly focus on 7 through 9. The communication quiz and discussion board guidelines. First, your original post must be submitted to the group on Sunday each week. You must include work on every problem, include an explanation for how you got to each answer, and if you are not sure how to get each answer, then you must include your questions. Secondly, you have to respond. These are due on Sunday of each week. You must respond to at least 2 people in your group. Examples of response could be answer to a group member's question or whether you agree or disagree with their answers. The final submission will be due on Monday of each week and will be submitted to the communication Dropbox. A rubric can be seen below. Your weekly schedule can be seen under the weekly schedule link. This will break down what you have to do each week. Every week you will have homework assignment, communication quiz, and every other week you will have a MyStatLab quiz, except for the weeks where you have a midterm and a final exam. Once you complete looking at your syllabus, assignments list, and tentative schedule, you should then move on into the orientation link, located on the left. This will break you down how to purchase your textbook, get to know your assignments, and additional MyStatLab, StatCrunch, and tech resources. It also will explain the online tutoring services we have available. Once you have finished the orientation, you can get started with Week 1 material. Please let me know if you have any questions.